Hi friends, I am Sunil working as BSNL JE. Welcome to BSNL JE 2016 exam preparation. Okay, the previous video I already explained which type of instruments are used for both current and voltage measurements. They are nothing but PMMC, MI type, dynamometer type, electrostatic type, thermal type, rectifier type and induction type. In this video I want to explain each and every meter. Okay, each and every meter. Coming to the PMMC, I will give only the important points of these meters. Okay, coming to the PMC, what is PMMC? Nothing but permanent magnet moving coil. Permanent magnet moving coil, that is a moving coil placed in a magnet. Okay, that is nothing but here it is a north pole, it is a south pole, it is a coil. Okay, it is a coil. When a current carrying coil or when a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. It experiences a force. This is a motoring principle. This is nothing but motoring principle. So when a current carrying coil is placed, or which coil currents we have to measure, that is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences some force. So due to this force, the pointer deflects from initial position. The pointer deflects from initial position. Okay, the deflection angle, that means the pointer moving angle, is proportional to the current which we applied. Okay, uh, this angle is proportional to the current. Okay, as the current level increases, the pointer angle also increases. That means pointer points also increases. Okay, in this way the PMMC works. So for this PMMC, deflection angle theta proportional to current, that is uniform scale. That is nothing but as current increases, the deflection angle also increases. Okay, deflection angle also increases. Okay, some important points regarding to the PMMC. The scale is uniform, that is nothing but theta proportional to current I. Okay, and it has high accuracy, and the torque by weight ratio is very high. Very very important bit. Each and every line very very important for bits. Okay, next one, eddy current damping is used. In case of PMMC, eddy current damping is used. Okay, it is only used for DC only. It is not applicable for AC. Okay, it is applicable only for DC but not AC. Okay, next instrument, moving iron type instruments. In these instruments, iron piece is placed instead of coil. In case of MC type, coil is placed, but in case of this MI type, iron piece is used. Okay, iron piece is used. The principle here the principle is self inductance principle. Whenever the current changes in a coil changes, and EMF will be induced. That EMF or that force drive the pointer from initial. Okay, this pointer angle theta is proportional to deflection angle. This angle theta proportional to I square. Here in case of PMMC, theta proportional to I. So theta proportional to I square means it is non-linear or non-uniform scale. Okay, some points regarding to MI type. Scale is non-linear or non-uniform because of theta proportional to I square. Okay, it is suitable for both AC and DC. Here air friction damping is used. air friction damping is used. In case of PMMC, eddy current damping is used. Okay. Next, to increase the current capacity of meters, that means to increase the current capacity of meters, shunts may be employed. Shunts, that means parallel connected resistors. Shunts, it is a shunt. Okay, shunts may be used. For example, if meter capacity is only, it measure 5 amps, if we want to increase this capacity, then some shunts are connected. Some shunts are connected, parallelly connected. That means if it is a meter and the meter resistance is Rm, shunt resistance, that means shunts are connected, this shunt resistance RSH is connected parallelly. This RSH equal to Rm by m minus 1, Rm by m minus 1, and m is nothing but a multiplication factor. M is nothing but a multiplication factor. M equal to the current which we have to measure, I by meter current, I by Im. M is always greater than 1. Okay, in this way we select RSH and it is connected parallelly to increase the current capacity of the meter. For this, manganese material is used for DC shunts. In case of DC shunts, manganese material is used. Because why manganese material only used? Because it is a constant temperature coefficient materials. That means as temperature varies, also the value, the resistance does not varies. Okay, that's why manganese material is used. For Mi type, shunts may connected like that. It is only for DC PMMC. In case of Mi type, it can applicable both AC and DC. In this way we connected RSH plus LSH, that means impedance value. We connected like that. Time constant of shunt means LSH by RSH is equal to time constant of meter, Lm by Rm. In this way we can connect shunts for AC circuits, for AC meters. Okay, for AC shunts, constant 10 is used for AC shunts. Constant 10 also constant temperature coefficient. Okay, next, to increase voltage measuring capacity. In case of current measuring capacity, we have to connect shunt resistance or shunts. In case of to increase voltage capacity, the high resistance are connected in series. We connected in series. Here series resistance which we have to connect it, RSC equal to Rm into m minus 1. In case of shunts, RSH equal to Rm by m minus 1. In case of series resistor, that means to increase the voltage capacity, for this RSC equal to Rm into m minus 1. Here m is V by Vm. V is the voltage which we have to measure, Vm is meter voltage. Okay, the series resistance is high resistance is connected. Next, sampling resistors are used to reduce the temperature errors. Here for this one more resistance, swamping resistance may be used. Why? Because this swamping resistance used to reduce the temperature errors. For swamping resistor, the material uses for this making of swamping resistors are nothing but constant temperature coefficient materials. That is nothing but manganese or constantine. So swamping resistors are made by manganese or constantine. Okay, and once again, to increase the current measuring capacity, we use shunts. Okay, the shunt resistance RSH equal to Rm by m minus 1, m equal to I by Im. In case of to increase the voltage measuring capacity, series resistance are connected. Okay, series resistance, nothing but high resistances, series high resistances. Okay, this RSC equal to Rm into m minus 1, m equal to V by Vm, and swamping resistors may be connected to decrease the temperature errors or to reduce the temperature errors. The materials used for swamping resistors are manganese or constantan. Okay, next type, electrodynamometer type. For this operating principle is nothing but mutual inductance. Once again, first one PMMC motoring principle, second one MI type self inductance, and electrodynamometer type mutual inductance. I already explained what is mutual inductance. Okay, when current carrying in one conductor, the flux links with another circuit which is changes, then I am EMF induced in first coil, then it is called mutual inductance. Okay, and for this dynamometer type, deflection angle theta is proportional to I square. So the scale is non-uniform or non-linear, same as that of MI type. Here also air friction damping is used for PMMC. Eddy current damping. For MI type, air friction, and electrodynamometer type also air friction. It is also suitable for both AC and DC. Here torque by weight ratio is very small in case of electrodynamometer type. In case of PMMC type, torque by weight ratio is very high. Okay, next electrostatic instruments, very important one. Electrostatic instruments, these are mainly used for high voltages. Okay, the operating principle is nothing but change of capacitance. It is nothing but electrostatic effect. Okay, the deflection angle theta proportional to V square. So it is mainly used for to measure the voltage values. Okay, this scale is also V square means non-uniform or non-linear. Okay, deflection angle is the scale is non-uniform or non-linear, generally used for voltmeters. Okay, mainly used for measuring high voltages. I already told it is very important one. Which meters are used for measuring high voltages? Nothing but electrostatic instruments. It is also suitable for both AC and DC. There are mainly two types of electrostatic: quadrant electrometers and Kelvin multicellulars. Quadrant electrometers are used for high voltages and Kelvin multicellulars used for low voltages. Okay, next type, thermal type instruments. These are mainly suitable for high frequency applications. These can capable to measure the current that is nothing but which are not sinusoidal. That means non-sinusoidal also it can measure. Okay, for non-sinusoidal nature also can be measured by these type of thermal type instruments. Okay, these are mainly three types. Nothing but hot fire instruments, bolometer type, thermocouple instruments. Okay, next, rectifier type instruments. These rectifier type instruments are mainly used for electronic measurements. Nothing but low voltage measurements, mainly suitable for electronic type instruments. The meter which is suitable for electronic measurement is rectifier type. Here, what is the principle of rectifier type? What is a rectifier? Which converts AC to DC. That's why it converts AC to DC and further measured by PMMC. PMMC. PMMC is to measure DC voltage, okay, DC voltage at DC current. So for this rectifier type, it converts AC to DC and further measured by PMMC. Okay, thank you friends. In next video I will explain remaining topic, that is nothing but measurement of resistance. Okay, thank you friends.